Good morning, class 11. Today we will continue with the third part of the chapter Heredity and Environment. In the previous chapter, we have discussed the features and the point on depending on which the supporter of heredity or hereditary factors, they are telling that why heredity is one and only factor, because the capacity which will be explored due to education is already hidden inside the individual, and education, the process of education, will only support to explore or to discover the inner capacity or the hidden potentials which one individual has. So today we will start discussing the environmental factor. The environmentalists or those who are in support of environment, they are telling that the point which they have discussed, the thoughts of hereditary factors they have discussed, is totally wrong. They are telling if the individual is carrying, even if he is carrying the inner capacity or the hidden potentials inside, if the situation or if the surrounding or if the environment is not good or suitable for the hidden capacity to prosper, there is no chance of betterment of an individual. So what is environment? In a vague way, in a glance of second, if we thought of environment, what we will discuss, what we will say, that environment is something where you belongs to, isn't it? The surrounding where you stay or you are surviving is your environment. When you are in home, your home is your environment. When you are out of your home, it is the outside environment which is influencing you. Again, when you are in the school or college or in university, the atmosphere or this environment is something else, and there are having some fixed different rules and what you have to pay. How you behave in your home, you do not behave in the same way in your school or college, isn't it? So environmental factors which we cannot deny are in support of the environmental factors. So today we will discuss that what environmentalists are telling about the influence of environment and what are the supporters and what they are telling in favor of the environmentalism. Now let's start. See, Cattle is telling environment is a sum total or of all the stimulations received by an individual from birth to death. Now, stimulation, what is the word stimulation means? Stimulation means an external or internal force which transfers our thought or our attention or our change. It is a type of urge which we feel, or either externally or internally. Stimulation means, suppose someone is calling you, a sound is coming from somewhere, your attraction or your attention is going towards that. So that is a stimulation, that is the external stimulation. So it is a type, environment is a stimulus where it's a sum total of some stimulus which is received by an individual from birth to death. See, where is the effect of environment? Now it is a daytime, but still as the weather is very cloudy, I have switched on my tube light. So due to the darkness, due to the proper absence of sunlight, I cannot manage taking class, so I have to switch on the light. So this is the effect of environment. If it is a sunny day, I would not have switched on my tube light. So the effect of environment we cannot deny about. So Cattle is telling, see, many sounds when you are sitting and hearing my topic, when I am discussing it with you, you are trying to pay attention to me what I am telling. You are trying to listen it carefully. But if someone will call you from somewhere, though you will not leave your class and go, but still your mind will be distracted. So this or you are sitting in your home, you are doing prayer, just for example telling. Now suppose suddenly someone has called you, so for a fraction of second maybe your mind will be distracted. So even though you are focusing on your attention, but the presence of environment we cannot deny. So now let's see what are the supporters telling in favor of the environmental factor. The first is influence of environment. Just now I have described. Now see the environment where you are belonging. Suppose please don't take it personally, but some are having hidden capacities within, but due to the environmental factors they cannot read in the evening. Suppose you are sitting, you are studying, and suddenly a music box started just beside the home you are staying. So how you will continue your studies? So the environment where you are reading is, or where you are studying, is not supporting you. So the influence of environment we cannot deny about. Again, you are having a very good environment, but the cognition or the cognitive capacity which is hidden inside you is not up to the mark. So even though the environment is there, you cannot develop yourself, isn't it? So environmental factor or influence of environment we cannot deny. Or suppose you are not having enough merit in you, or you are not you are a mediocre student. So the environment which is being created for you, the explanation by the teacher, the environment made by your parents in a closed room where you are sitting peacefully, it will enhance your merit and it will help you to enhance your study within a short period of time. So the effect of or the influence of environment we cannot deny. Number two, suitable environment and offering training. Now all these points you will get in your book. Now suitable environment and offering training means what? See, uh, in our life we learn so many things, isn't it? When we are used to be juniors, we our parents used to give us training about music, dance, drawing, and suddenly they saw that yes, you are having a talent of drawing or singing. So they will leave other thing and they will concentrate on the particular topic that you have interest on, isn't it? So what we are saying, though the situation, the capacity is hidden inside you, but the environment, but the situation where you are falling or what you are facing of, the situation will tell that on what type of education or what type of career you are going to bring. So if they see that yes, you are doing well in a particular topic, they will offer you a good training and there is a high possibility of improvement or a betterment, isn't it? So even though yes, it is true that the capacity is hidden inside the individual, but through proper environment and through offering training by your parents and guardian, the capacity will be nurtured and it will be a better one. The production which will come out is a better one, isn't it? Otherwise, why do we improve in something? We improve in singing, we improve in dance, we improve in drawing, we improve in our studies. Why? uh, because you are adapted to the situation and you are learning more. So learning is through environment, so that we cannot deny. Next point, mother's womb. See why here the mother's womb is given as an example. See, when you have read in biology that it is protected inside the baby, the baby before birth, it is protected inside the womb of the mother, and there's a liquid inside which the baby is highly protected, isn't it? So that is the first environment which the baby has got. If the environment that is that is not directly related to its uh, heredity, isn't it? The environment inside the mother's womb is the first environment of the child. If it is not well protected, how the child will born, isn't it? How the child will take birth, isn't it? So the womb is the first environment of a child where it is 100% protected from any danger and from any risks. Next, health and wealth. See, sometimes we see that the child, the newborn, which is the newborn is underweight, isn't it? So what do the parents do? What do the doctors do? They used to feed them good food, nutritious food, fruits, and different sorts of vegetables, and different, though they are very small, but they will start digesting some good food after some years, and slowly up to 6 months it is compulsory to feed the breastfeeding of the child. But after that, after 3 and 4 years, when the child is able of eating solid food, they start getting solid food and they slowly develop their health, isn't it? And health is directly related with wealth, isn't it? When health is good, it's a sign of good wealth, isn't it? So it is coming later on. But even if the child is with underweight, the born with an underweight, and we see that after some years the child is to develop his health, and slowly it will be like a normal child. So the effect of environment, suppose the child is underweight, and again the environment where the child is born is not suitable of giving good amount of nutritious food. So what will happen? The child will slowly deteriorate, isn't it? Though it is very unfortunate, but it happens. So the effect of environment and the effect of the surrounding we cannot deny. Lastly, norms of environment. See, here, when we are born, we are being guided by our parents or our ancestors that these are the do's and don'ts of the environment. This we should do and that we should not do. So, why these norms are being given? Because the society is there, because we are a part of society. So, there's another point that we cannot deny the existence of the environment or the surroundings. So, norms of environment means you cannot do whatever you like being a part of the society. When you are in house, you are doing something else. When you are in your school or college, you are doing something else. And when you are in a group of friends, with a group of friends, your attitude, your nature is something else. So norms and norms of environment are highly followed by every individual, and thus we cannot say that we can avoid the presence or the existence of environment. So this is all for today. We have already discussed the definition of heredity, definition what are the points supporting heredity. Today we have discussed environment and the points supporting environment. Next day we will discuss that why and how the modern scientists or the modern educationists, they are telling that we cannot deny both the effect of heredity and environment. After the completion of the chapter, we will discuss the questions and what are the marks for them. Thank you.